No Neymar and yes Wildfires.
Yes Neymar and no Wildfires. Neymar is a famous Brazilian professional football player born on February 5, 1992, where he plays as a forward or attacking midfielder and is known for his incredible dribbling, speed, and scoring ability, and he is Brazil's all-time top goal scorer. And wildfires are unplanned, unwanted, and uncontrolled fire that burns in wildland vegetation, such as forests, grasslands, savannas, or shrublands. Unlike prescribed burns used for land management, fires spread rapidly, and can change direction unexpectedly, frequently cross into populated areas, destroying homes and infrastructure.
That's it. Both of you are extremely grounded for a week for saying that.
Now both of you go to your rooms right now.
Where?